Hello, 2K23 MyTeam players. It's your pal Tim from Twitter, the Twitter guy and stuff. Uh, if you need any grinding done on your account, it's 2K. 2K provided you with a way to grind your account. That's what I want to talk about today. The players Evo themselves. Look at this score. 209, 116. I wasn't here. I just got home from work, fresh out the shower. Let's look at the box score. Brunson, 65 points. Martin, triple-double. Williams, no steals though. And Gervin. Gervin played a little bit, shot a little bit. I'll show you why he shot a little bit here in a second. So we'll quit this out. And again, scored all those points. I wasn't here. It's just a matter of setting it and forgetting it. You know, like the shoes. So prize ball, that's another key. And we get lucky. The prize ball busted. And it's what we said, it's a shoe boost pack. So prize balls are key. We'll go over to our lineup. Lineup management. This is the lineup. We have 4 Evo players. And we should probably have these all flawless. I don't know what I was doing here. But 4 Evo players. And a shooting guard. All right. Okay, so I guess it wasn't a good example of this game, but we're going to roll with it. Because the players we have in, like Brunson, 2 steals. He's 2 steals away from an Evo. And that's a recurring theme, the steals. And you may have other players that you Evo block a shot with Maxi. So there's certain things that it's frustrating to get that you might have to step in and get for him. Williams, prime example. Bane's the dude. Bane Evos from a amethyst to a dark matter. And you can get him for cheap. That's the thing. Buy him for cheap, Evo him, sell him. It's another MT making method. So we will check. It's the playoff Evos. So the cards I use are Caleb Martin. But he's gone up a little bit, and since he's currently still playing, it's kind of hard to get a good deal on him anymore, especially since he got another Evo. So I still need to find another power forward, I guess. But maybe you have some recommendations for a power forward. But of course, Robert Williams. You buy him for $1,000, and you could sell him for 4. You could sell him for 8,000, 6,000, 7,000. But what I'm doing with the Robert Williams, I'm adding to the dark matter exchange. That's another way. But Bane's the dude. He was the dude last season. You could exchange 1 dark matter Bane for 2 Hoff badges. Again, Evos to a dark matter. Cost 3K. And then you sell them 15K, 17K. Buy them for 3K, a couple of Evos. But I ain't got time to Evo them, you say. Yeah, well, me either. That's why 2K gave us this gift of player lock. Player lock. Back in the good old days, it was AFK and unlimited. The Mud Hens. Yeah, we made some tracks. We got Monty Williams. Yeah, the first 2 seasons of Unlimited were wild with that player lock. But there's a bunch of point guards you can use as well. Jalen Brunson is a good one because he evos to a dark matter. And you can bid snipe him, buy him for cheap. I'll try to get him for 6K. Evo him, sell him. Evo him, sell him. Evo him, sell him. That's the thing. And if you don't have time, to grind, that's what player lock is for. So, our lineup management. This is the squad right here. Franchise, we need a new prize ball. Always play with a prize ball. Okay? It's another MT making strat. And my prize ball is the amethyst. And just quick scroll over to the 4-hour mark. You might be able to bid on some, but a quick scroll to the 4-hour mark. Don't stop too soon. 4, 3, 2. So nothing's up. That's okay. That's okay. We don't need anything because we have a bunch. Send a collection. Amethyst prize ball. Lineup management. This is our lineup. Franchise. Get your prize ball in. Always play with the prize ball. Amethyst. And this is another thing. This is one of the most important things. Your coaching settings. Take off timeouts, take off player minutes, take off substitutions. Set those all to manual. That way your players that you want to Evo will play the entire game. This is a key step. All right. So we're back out. We got that set. And what's the key? How do you score 200 points? Well, the day one challenge. The challenge has been some of our best friend. Skill challenge. Basketball fundamental. Inside scoring. Right here. Make sure. See, we got player lock on. Make sure you player lock shooting guard. Oh, wrong one. And why you player lock shooting guard is because he doesn't inbound the ball ever. So you won't get the 5-second violations. And then the last thing. Well, if I'm player locked and I'm at work, why was Gervin shooting last game? Why was Gervin shooting? That's a great question. Because I wasn't even here. So, let's find out. Okay, so we got the Hornets. We've played the Hornets a couple times. They're almost like the Washington Generals of 2K23. The line of screens coming in. All right. We're a familiar foe, to say the least. A familiar foe. More XP agendas. I know they remind you what you have to do. There's plenty of things to do. And we wait for tip. And by this point, you're either taking a shower or mowing the lawn or whatever you're doing. Went to bed. So see, we already have Gervin. Gervin's up on the top screen. We already have his circle on the bottom, so we know his player locked. And boom, Gervin's off to the races. What is Gervin doing? Well, the last secret, one of the most important steps, is I have a wired controller with a rubber band on the analogs. So if Gervin catches it, he's going to launch it. All right? And it makes for good entertainment. All right? But there's many ways to play 2K. There's many ways to make MT on 2K. If you have different Evo methods, put them down in the comments. The game's coming out free on PlayStation. So it's exciting times. Season 7 has been a blast. Look at Gervin. Look at Gervin guarding Don. And there he goes back across the court. It's a beautiful thing. Hey, maybe this is the game that the Hornets win. But I don't think so. So please like, comment, subscribe. All the YouTube stuff. Have fun with the game. Play co-op.